Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max and today I have this absolute weapon of a vehicle behind me. This here is the Aston Martin Vantage V12. The Vantage S, this particular model, all blacked out, absolutely lovely spec. One of a good customer of ours here. Absolute beauty of a vehicle. About a 2017 year, this particular one. It's got a factory reverse camera on it as well, which leads me on to what we have fitted. We have fitted an Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto device this vehicle to bring this antiquated system up to date with something that the customer's used to in all of his other vehicles. So we just hop inside and give you a little show on what the Apple CarPlay looks like on the factory screen. Let's jump in. Beautiful interior inside here. Honestly, love these cars. Oh. Right, sat in the interior. Sorry, very close to the front of the steering wheel there. But we have Apple CarPlay working on this factory display. Now it's quite a small display, and to be honest, they've been using this display for quite a few years now, and to be honest, this car was probably one of the last vehicles to actually come with it. But just to give you a bit of a look around, the Apple CarPlay system works through the original control here. It runs through the auxiliary source on the head unit, and you can use this factory control to rotate yourself around the Apple CarPlay. And yeah, it looks okay, to be fair, considering the kind of age that this screen is and the performance that they give as a standard. This Apple CarPlay system is wicked. It's just going to bring you up to date, give you a better way of playing your music, have calls in the vehicle, and also have your maps, so you can use navigation apps like Google Maps, Waze, TomTom Go navigation if you use that type of navigation. But yeah, it's a pretty seamless, that's the customer there messaging me now. But yeah, it's quite a seamless install, and to be honest, it's the only thing that you can really do with these vehicles if you want to bring them up to date with the Apple CarPlay system. All the interface is fitted behind the dashboard, and yeah, you don't actually see anything inside the vehicle. It's all basically through this little factory screen here. But yeah, I mean, hopefully Apple CarPlay, if you're probably watching this video, it's probably because you've got Apple CarPlay in other vehicles, so you're already used to Apple CarPlay and you just want to find an application for your vehicle. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Apple CarPlay, if we put it in reverse, it'll actually come up with a reverse camera image. That still all works as per usual. And when you come out reverse and go into drive, and just shut those parking sensors up, it will go back to normal. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super brief video. This is Max John Cleese. If you've got Aston Martin and you want to get Apple CarPlay or reverse camera onto it, get in contact with us and we'll work out a solution for you. Thank you very much. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.